Yep, this is me, sitting on my phone, scrolling through Instagram, allowing the day to go by. Meanwhile, my hair hasn't been washed in 2 weeks. Procrastination is a bitch, but sometimes you just gotta do it. Just do it. So what y'all think of my acting debut? Baby, you know what I'm saying? I had to tap in a little bit to give y'all the juice, the drama, the everything. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a beautiful day, and let's get into this wash day routine. So I'm going to be using Shea Moisture and Mielle organic products, as well as Casprus Love Butter. I will have the link to purchase everything in the bio, in my description, because I don't want to say the wrong name and then it's chaos. So anywho, to start with my wash day, I always make sure that my hair is extremely saturated, wet with water. My hair is very thick and it can be very difficult to detangle, and using a lot of water, making sure my hair is super soaking wet, helps to just helps the process be much easier and smoother. So one thing I would definitely stress when shampooing you guys' hair is to try to focus on your scalp. You don't want to strip your strands of moisture. Like when I'm washing my hair, I really try my best to focus on my scalp and allow the excess shampoo to just kind of flow down my strands. I just have found that this helps my wash day end on a more moisturized note. Like if I really spread the shampoo all throughout my strands from top to bottom, it can just be very stripping, and I don't think that anybody wants to experience that. So you are going to see me wash my hair with the shampoo twice. I typically don't do this, but because it's been a minute since I washed my hair, I just wanted to make sure that it was super clean, because I know that it's just a lot of buildup on my scalp and it needed to be cleansed well. So now onto deep conditioning. I always deep condition when I wash my hair because it's being stripped of so much of its moisture and I want to just replenish it. In this video I did use 2 deep conditioners, but unfortunately my camera cut off so you couldn't see that. But during this step, I definitely do part my hair off and detangle while it's in those sections, because like I said, my hair is very thick and I want to make sure that, especially with the deep conditioner, that every strand is being coated so that we have some moisture going through them strands, you know? Like, I don't even know how else to better explain that, but definitely if you have very thick hair that is sometimes hard to manage, I would definitely suggest parting your hair off in the shower. It just makes it so much easier to detangle. Make sure that all of your strands are nice and detangled and they're moisturized. So yeah. Okay, so once I get out of the shower, I put my shower cap on, or a plastic bag, something that can trap that heat, and I leave it on for about 30 minutes at least, and I allow my hair to just really deep condition. If you have a hooded dryer, then I would also suggest sitting under it during this step, because you really want the moisture, the conditioner, to be like seeping into your strands for ultimate moisture. So if I have any girls watching this video, and guys that are very lazy like me, I would highly suggest applying your leave-in conditioner in the shower. It covers that L and C step in the LCO method, because you're able to have your hair very saturated and then apply your conditioner, and it's pretty steamy in there, you know, so your strands are getting even more, or the pores in your strands are opening up even more, so it's accepting even more moisture. So then once you get out the shower, all you got to do is apply oil and style your hair. It just saves so much time. So what you see me doing right here is just putting my braids in, or putting my hair in a braid protected style. I didn't want to do something that I was going to take out, because I've literally just been in the house and I just want a low maintenance style right now, because I have a lot of other things that I'm working on, and this is a perfect low maintenance style for me because it keeps my hair secured and also pretty neat, so that if I want to throw a wig on, I can do that without, you know, it being too lumpy or bumpy, whatever. And it also just kind of trains my hair, my curl pattern, I find. So yeah, I just like to keep it in these braids for about a week if it takes that. And yeah. So to seal everything in, I take some castor oil, some grapeseed oil, and my Casprus Love Butter to add that extra layer of moisture to the end, because remember, I'll be keeping these braids in, so everything is just going to seep into my strands. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty much my wash day routine. If it changes, I'll definitely update you all, but in the meantime, cheers to us, because we just got through a wash day routine. So I hope this video was helpful. I thank you all so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like it, comment down below what you liked about it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much.